Hey everyone, it's Blake here again. Today's video, putting the floor in. So I'll be putting these bits of timber, and then I'll be putting some carpet over the top, and then I'll also be putting my box in with my drawers. But yeah, and we'll mark out this wall.
Feel the vibes.
All the pieces are in. Now ready to weld. So the floor's all screwed in. You're probably wondering why there's just a patch of carpet here for now. Well, there'll be more carpet here, but on the other side there'll be a big box with my drawer and fridge, and I'll just put strips of carpet where the ply's shown. Now we're just going to be putting the wall up on there. All screwed in. So had screws going down there, two pieces in the middle, and another piece down there, so she's in pretty well. Now to put the box in. The fridge slide box is all screwed in. Now I just need to put carpet all around the edges and at the back. Chuck the drawers in.
All the carpets in on the sides and in front. All the carpets in. There's little cutout holes for the hinges to go. Gonna get some door recess, not sure if that's how you say it, but it'll cover it up so nothing can fall down. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Tonight.